Hey bud, so here it is. I'm not finished yet. Still got to put in the switches and align it properly. Alright, so in the back, you turn the pommel to reveal your speaker and your recharge port, which is there. I can color it silver if you like, but you can hear noise.
I take it you have no love of the Empire.
Okay. If you want your crystal reveal, pull this piece out. There goes your crystal. Okay, so to activate, you're going to press the top button. That's your crystal right there. I'm going to tighten everything up so everything will be nice and tight. Your blaster. Very bright. Alright, if you want to change fonts, power off, first button. Double click, bottom button. Okay, just keep pressing the double button.
We take the fight to the Empire.
Alright.
Balance.
And then once you have the one you want, you basically activate. Alright, like I said, I still got to tighten everything up, and I'll tighten it so it's nice and secure. You want to change the SD card, just pull it out a little more, okay? And that would be tightened up as well in there. Again, like I said, this is to show you progress so far. Still got a little bit of tightening to do.
There's only one return, and it ain't of the king, it's of the Jedi.
Alright, so once everything's tightened up, I'll give you a blade demonstration. So I can still, like I said, I'm going to polish this up a little bit, give it a nice clean, tighten a few things up, get those screws in, those switches in there. And like I said, let me know what you want me to do here. If you want to wait for us to 3D print that part so that we can add some LEDs and so forth. And that's it. Alright, so I'll send you this video. Ooh, forgot to put the kill key back in. I'll send you this video once we're all completed. I'll let you know, and we'll get this right over to you.